In front of me is OPPO Reno8 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then hit Google. Now tap on All Services over here. And finally scroll again, this time to access Autofill with Google. Now tap on Google Password Manager. I can assure you that if you use all of those steps, you will find it. Finally hit Accounts at the bottom left corner. And tap on Add Password at the top to add a new one to your manager. If you can't see any of those options though, don't worry, that means that you never added a password before. To fix it and make those options visible, you need at least one. So to fix it, hit Settings at the bottom right corner. Now tap on this switcher if it's not already on, next to Offer to Save Passwords, and when you are absolutely sure it's blue, go back and tap on any app you can log into. Log in and wait for the pop-up to show up. Select Save at the bottom right corner of it and go back to your manager. Now when you access it, you will see your new password and also Add Password option. So now you can finally click on it and input all of those informations. At the top, type in any website or hit Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're done, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!